Hello beautiful people. In today's video I want to share with you guys reasons why you should not start a poultry farm business with funds from loan. So let's get down into the essence of today's video. As a business person, as an entrepreneur, it's never a wise choice for you to start up a business using funds from loan. Now, what is loan? Loans are funds that you get from any source, maybe a bank or an individual or an organization, that you need to pay with interest over a certain period of time. So if you're starting up a business like a poultry farm business with funds from loan, you're putting yourself under pressure and there's every tendency you might not be able to meet up. So when you're venturing into a new business like poultry farm business, you are expected to start with whatever resources that you have at hand. Even if the resources you have at hand is going to carry for 25 birds or 50, just start with what you have and then grow it gradually. Grow it gradually. Then when you get to a point where you want to do a quick expansion, that is when you now opt in for loan. Okay, let me share with you guys something that happened to me personally. I used to run a 100 capacity poultry farm. I'll sell off after every 2 months. Then I got the opportunity of running and managing a 1,000 capacity poultry farm. After running the beds, yes, running the beds was easy for me, but getting to sell 1,000 beds, 1,000, it was not an easy task. So I had to now start doing some serious marketing, and in the process of doing this marketing, these beds stayed longer in the farm than they were expected to stay. In that process, I started having mortality. So by the grace of God, I was able to sell off those beds and gain back the capital that was invested in the business and some little profits. So afterwards, I learned my lesson. That's why it's very important for you to have a strong customer base and also guide yourself and also brace yourself with enough knowledge and wisdom on how to run the operations of a poultry farm. Because there's every tendency that challenge will spring up. 2 years ago, I had an outbreak of Newcastle in my farm. Had it been I didn't have that bank of knowledge on how to mitigate the challenge of an outbreak of a viral disease, I would have encountered losses. So that's why I always tell people that are going into poultry farm business to brace themselves with enough knowledge. Because one thing I notice about our people in this part of the world is that we look at poultry business as something that is very common, easy, anybody can do it. In that process, they start making mistakes. By so doing, they make some serious mistakes and blunder, not knowing that poultry business is serious business that you need to raise yourself with enough knowledge. So I'll ask you that is watching this video to watch my other videos to get more knowledge on how to run your poultry business, and don't make the mistake of starting up a poultry farm business with funds from loan. I hope this video is going to help you a long way, and I also encourage you to watch my other videos. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, probably you might not see any of our videos again. But if you have done that, congratulations. And I'll urge you that have not subscribed yet to please subscribe to the channel to also help grow this channel to reach out to more people. And I'll also urge you to click on the like button so that the algorithm will help share the videos to other people as well. So thanks for watching this far, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.